Implementing effective access control in information security. Access control is a fundamental pillar of information security, ensuring only authorized individuals have access to specific resources, data, systems, and applications. Here's a step-by-step guide to implementing and maintaining robust access control measures. 1. Define access control policies. Identify critical assets. Categorize your organization's sensitive information and critical systems based on their confidentiality, integrity, and availability requirements. Establish access control principles. Define clear principles like least privilege, ensuring users only have the minimum access level needed to perform their job duties. Develop access control procedures. Outline workflows for granting, reviewing, and revoking access privileges based on user roles, responsibilities, and the resources they require. 2. User authentication and authorization. Implement strong authentication methods. Utilize multi-factor authentication, MFA, beyond simple passwords, incorporating methods like fingerprint scans, security tokens, or biometrics. Leverage user roles and permissions. Assign users to predefined roles with specific access permissions aligned with their job functions and responsibilities. Enforce access control lists, ACLs. Define and implement ACLs on resources, explicitly specifying who can access and what actions they can perform on each asset. 3. Access control technologies and solutions. Utilize directory services. Implement a central directory service like Active Directory or LDAP to manage user accounts, groups, and access permissions efficiently. Consider role-based access control, RBAC. Implement RBAC systems that automatically grant or deny access based on predefined user roles and associated permissions. Evaluate access control software. Explore security software solutions that streamline access management, automate workflows, and provide centralized oversight of user access. 4. Ongoing monitoring and management. Regularly review user access. Conduct periodic reviews of user access privileges to ensure continued alignment with their roles and responsibilities. Monitor access logs. Implement and analyze access logs to identify suspicious activity, unauthorized access attempts, or potential security breaches. Conduct security awareness training. Educate employees about access control policies, best practices for password management, and reporting suspicious activity. 5. Continuous improvement and refinement. Adapt to evolving threats. Regularly assess your security posture and access control measures in light of emerging cyber threats and vulnerabilities. Embrace new technologies. Stay updated on advancements in access control technologies and consider incorporating them into your security framework as needed. Promote a culture of security. Foster a culture of security awareness within your organization, emphasizing the importance of responsible access management practices. By following these steps and continuously refining your approach, you can establish a robust access control system that effectively protects your organization's valuable information assets and minimizes the risk of unauthorized access and security breaches.